Hello, this is your host Akil Navluri, and welcome to the brand new reel of the TechoSpace podcast tutorial. So, in this podcast tutorial, I'll be talking about the most important, or let's say one of the most trending things of the AI space, the AI agents. But always there is always a notion between people, who have that confusion between what an AI agent is and also what a chatbot is. So one of them is really trending at the moment, which is AI agents. So let me tell you in a nutshell, the difference between both of them. So when we talk about a chatbot talks, and when we talk about an AI agent, the AI agent acts. So let me just give a crucial example, or let's say a simple example where you can understand about it in detail. So let us consider the use case of a chatbot. So in a chatbot, you're trying to ask a particular query to a chatbot that, your hotel reservation has been booked, but you're not pretty sure whether it has been confirmed or not. You give your details like like your reference number, then you give your details like about your phone number, so everything. So it'll give all the information based on the thing that it has in the database. So based on that, you'll get the information. So and when we talk about an AI agent is more like, let's say in Batman, it's like Alfred, or let's say in simple words, it's like your concierge, that's getting everything to your needs at a stretch, but based on the boundaries it sets, or let's say based on the adequate amount of information that it has, or I would say that it has an ocean of information that it can grab from. So an AI agent, if you want to book a flight ticket, so you ask, I want to book a flight ticket to London, and I want to understand what is the weather condition going to be like, and which is the thing that which is the right time I need to book the flight for, what is the cheap flight that is available, and what are the best places that I can go. So based on all that dynamic information, you'll get your details and you'll get whatever things that you want to book. So based on the example that I've just narrated to you, in a chatbot will only give you an information based on the data that it is confined to, or in simple words, the based on the data that it is confined to within the website. So it'll only give you information based on your hotel reservation. If you ask it, I mean, is it the right time that I can book the details? It might give an information or it might not based on the data that it has. But in simple words, I can say it would not, because it only has the data that is associated with it, and based on that data, it'll give you an answer. So the information that you receive from a chatbot, it's only in the form of a text. But when we look at the AI agent, which is like an AI concierge, or which is like Alfred of Batman, it gets every information for you. It gets your flight tickets, it gets the best of information, it gets the text information, everything. So it is like, the AI agent is linked to a larger database, and it is not confined to anything. It has a boundary stretch of information, and it can get anything you want. So it also depends, again, I mean, in a nutshell, I mean, we're going to go later about that when we go to the advanced topics. But in a nutshell, I can say that it's based on the information. It's based on the information that is present in the data. If the database contains that information, you're going to get it right away. So in simple words, I can say that AI agents give information other than text, and only the chatbots give information only in the form of text. So and that's how I would like to conclude that a chatbot talks and an AI agent acts. So that's about it with respect to today's reel, and we'll be back with another pretty interesting reel very soon. Till then, keep listening. Goodbye, stay tuned, and au revoir. Thank you.